In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI chat not showing on Instagram. If you've been eagerly anticipating using Meta's AI chat feature, but it seems to be missing from your Instagram, don't worry, I've got you covered. We'll walk through a series of troubleshooting steps to help you resolve this issue. First things first, you'll need to open Instagram on your PC browser. Make sure you're logged into your account. This might sound basic, but sometimes not being logged in properly can cause features not to show up as expected. Once you have confirmed that you're logged in, let's move on to the next step. Next, to ensure that Instagram is loading correctly, click the browser's reload button. Alternatively, you can press F5 on your keyboard. Refreshing the page might resolve minor loading issues and help the AI chat box appear if there was a glitch. If refreshing doesn't help, it's time to clear your browser's cache. Here's how to do it. Navigate to your browser settings, head over to privacy options, and find the Clear Browsing Data section. Clearing your cache ensures that any outdated or corrupted files that could be causing Instagram to behave unexpectedly are removed. After you've done that, reload Instagram to see if the issue is resolved. Another important step is to ensure your browser is up to date. Whether you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, keeping your browser updated guarantees you have the latest features and security updates, which can solve a variety of issues, including those that affect Instagram and its features. Now, if you're someone who uses browser extensions like ad blockers or script blockers, these might be interfering with Instagram's functionality. Temporarily disable these extensions and check Instagram again to see if the Meta AI chat appears. Sometimes these tools block essential scripts that social media platforms use. If the Meta AI chat is still not showing, it's possible that the feature has not yet been rolled out in your region. To test this, try switching to a supported region using a VPN. Changing your virtual location can sometimes provide access to new features that are being rolled out gradually. Finally, if none of these steps work, it might simply be a matter of timing. The rollout of Meta AI is happening gradually, so it might not be available for all accounts immediately. In this case, it's best to wait a day or two and check back to see if the feature has appeared. With these steps, you should be well on your way to accessing the Meta AI chat on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips and tech guides.